Hello, 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 hello. Wait, let me first verify. Hello, 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 hello. Wait. Okay, 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 okay. I'm audible, audible, audible. Right, let me just share the screen with few of my known ones. Ha ha ha. Uh, Return to monkeys. Reject humanity. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Discord. Okay. I guess sub Sayyab. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, let me just switch. What's up, gang? What's up? Hello. Hello. Do you have any chat? Not right now. मैं ही chat कर लेता हूँ. Hello. Okay. What's up, gang? What's up? Hello. Wait, we need some music in the background, right? This one is pretty cool, to be honest. Like this. Hello. Okay. Wait, we need some music in the background, right? This one is pretty cool, to be honest. Like this. Wait, we need some music in the background, right? This one is pretty cool, to be honest. Like this. Okay. Okay, I guess it's cool now. Let's actually start with the stream, right? So if I show you the project with, let me check my screen share, right? Yes. Yeah. Okay. If I show you the game, so after this thing, after the last live devlog or whatever, I didn't did anything. I was just like I kinda revamped the screen shake effect. So like the screen shake is still present in the project. The screen shake is still present in the game, but it's like very subtle. If you can see, it's like very subtle. It is there, but like it won't make you feel nauseous or anything, right? Like I'm someone who really loves screen shake. If I was making this game solely for me, I would have added like a lot of like I don't know how do I tell a lot of screen shake. But yeah, I have to release this game accordingly, so I kinda adjusted the values for the screen shake, and but I'll show you the exact values. Let's first play a little, right? Cool game. Haha. Yeah, other than that, I also added this thing. So if I miss a shot, if I miss a hit, I will have to, like, let's say if I miss a hit, I will have to wait before I can, like, hit again. But if I hit a enemy, then there won't be any cooldown. So like, it's like the game is kind of punishing you if you miss a shot. So yeah, don't miss, guys. Never mind, I myself missed. Yep. So if you're using the free camera shake by First Gear Games, I don't know what exactly it is called. Wait, it's called Smooth Camera Shaker. Sorry, not free camera shaker. It is Smooth Camera Shaker by First Gear Games. So if you're using this is the exact. These are the exact values I'm using. The total duration is 0.5 seconds. Fade in, fade out for 0.06 each. Magnitude 0.5, and the rest of the values are default. I only changed these 4, and it kind of works pretty well for my use case. I don't know, it may differ for you guys if you are using it in your project, but yeah, I would highly recommend using this screen shake asset. It's really cool, to be honest. Like, I really found it very useful. Yep. Let me just see a few things. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Wait, I hope my voice is clear and audible, because I remember last time I was kind of yapping the whole stream and then I found out I'm barely audible. So I hope I'm audible today, right now. Yeah. Let me just refresh this. Do we have any? Yes, I don't know. Okay, never mind. Yep. Other than that, I'll have to. I don't know. I'm kind of confused with the attack cooldown. I guess single second is too much. Like a cooldown of a second is way too much if someone misses a shot when there are a lot of enemies on the screen. But then it comes down like, yeah, that's the whole point of the game. You'll be punished if you miss. But then it's not a tactical shooter or something where you have to be so precise. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, I guess let's go with one shot for now. I don't think anyone would be missing. Wait, there's a problem. There's a glitch. Let's start by creating the fragments. I want the enemies to drop a fragment when they die. Before creating the mechanic, I guess I would just go and create the assets for it, because obviously I had a sprite, what? And I don't have a sprite anymore, I guess. Oh, I do. Let me switch to a sprite. Yep. Let's go. Okay. About the I use basic 32 by 32 pixel sheet, and then when I go to export, I export at 600%. I resize it by 600%, and all the characters I've made till now, like all the all the artwork I've made till now for Corruption.exe, I use this standard, the same setting. I go with 32 by 32 pixel sheet and then resize it to 600% when I'm exporting. There's nothing specific about this. I just found it better for, again, my use case. It may differ for you guys, but I would suggest going with a low resolution sheet and then exporting it while resizing it. So it's like easy to make, and then your the pixel art vibe is also present if you do this. I need the fragment. I don't know actually how a fragment will look like. Let's Google. Let me just switch to this, a display capture, right? Now let's Google virus fragments. Oh, not this virus. Computer virus fragment. Something Windows 95 is themed. I don't know. I have basically zero idea about what I have to make. I just know I have to make something. That's so stupid. We can do this, like write random numbers and then add a little bit of effect like this. But I need something like I need a physical object present over there, which can be which will be dropped by the antivirus, right? Computer virus vector images. I don't know if that's a thing. But like the antivirus is dropping the fragment, so we can't make it look evil because we are the evil ones. Yo, what's up? Senior developer. Hello. Yeah, we finally have someone in the chat. Kinda cool, to be honest. Yeah. So I don't know. So like if I show you for this studio.glitch.io for the glitch gardener, what I did was I created I guess I don't have screenshots over there, but I'll show you guys. Yeah, see this, I just created a basic diamond shape in Unity and colored it green, but I want to make something like proper pixel art over here. It's kinda I'm very bad at I'm very bad with creativity, Antivirus vector image. I don't know, it's so neat. Yeah, we can go with a gear icon, right? Does a gear icon work? How to make a gear icon? I don't know. we have a circle. A gear is a circle, right? Yeah, I kinda messed up, but it's okay. A gear is a circle with teeth, or tooth, whatever. We have our, I don't know, gear takes a lot. Yeah, something like this, but glitchy themed. Dang, this is so, I don't know, this is so confusing. If I do, wait, let me just do this. Does this look like teeth for a gear? I don't know, and why is it so? Even the circle ain't what do you say? A problem like that can modify the spider. No, okay, bro, got it. I'll just create a new one, right? I guess my sprite is not spriting. I'll just do something like this. Yeah, this works, right? Now if I go a single pixel, right? Okay, does this look like a gear? I don't know. This is too soft for a gear, I guess. I need something curvy type. I don't know. Maybe something like this. Even this looks soft. I'll have to do something like this. Yeah. This looks more like a. How do I say? This looks more like a gear kind of thing. You know what I mean? Okay, it's not looking anywhere close to a gear, but it looks kinda cool, being honest. Haha. Damn, this is so tough, guys. I mean, I don't know, I just feel creating artwork is really tough. Like, making artwork for my game is making artwork is the most difficult part for me while making a game, you know. I can do anything, I can do almost everything, but just don't ask me to create artwork. Even though I have to create, cause yeah, who else will? But I don't think that's a cool idea. I'll just remove it. Let's go with something simple. Yeah, whatever. I don't know what is going on with this. Fragment pixel art, I don't know. Does that make sense? It does. There are some cool stuff. Let's just dropping something, right? A glitchy fragment. Let me just try to make something literally. Does this make sense? I like adding some inconsistent. I don't know. I fumbled bit. Lamo. Fuck. So shout out to Deepak sir. Shout out to the wolf. Yes. Big shout out, boy. Wait, is my e-sprite visible? Yeah, it is. I kinda got scared, bro. I thought I'm just yapping for so long and I'll go with some this thing looks pretty good. Do I have to add these arts cause it will be like friends static, they won't be moving. Like adding swords for a effect is cool, but I don't think I should add this for this. Yeah, I should not. I just remove this. This looks cool enough, I don't know. But kinda matches the color of our the only antivirus which is there in the game. This is called firewall antivirus. I don't know. It's a legit wall. He has a mouth and sunglasses. A cool pair of sunglasses. Yeah. Made firewall antivirus. I don't know. We'll name these antiviruses something like. Imagine this guy is called Billy. Okay, never mind. Being a Danny fan, I just found Billy really cool. Yeah, making the game a bit easier for you guys. Haha. Should I change the color of this thing? Wait, let me just copy this and I'll create a new layer and then paste it over here and this, and yeah. And now I'll go with this kind of a thing. You know, let me just change the color everywhere. Yeah, I need a lighter shade for this and a darker shade for this. Okay, looks cool, right? Maybe there can be like two types of fragments, one being more valuable than the other one. Maybe this one is more rare. Let's see. For now, I'll keep this two in the game. Looks cool, right? I don't know. I find it cool. What's up, gang? How's Sunday going? Okay, I want to resize it from here. I'll just export it. 600%. But first I have to save this. Let's call it antivirus fragment, right? And then just export it. 600% antivirus fragment exported. Here we have this. Looks cool, yeah. Sprite. Items, and I'll just took it. Fragments. Where is fragment blue? I don't know if blue is the correct color for this. Then I'll add this violet, not pink, huh? Violet. I don't know what's the spelling for violet, I hope. It's VI. Violet, okay. Works. Now, let me just add this in the scene. How does it look? Looks pretty cool, yeah. Nice. What do you say? If I remove the post processing, bro, it looks so damn cool. Bye. I'm happy with this. I'll also add this one over here. Yeah, looks cool to me. Now let me just remove this. Let me play the game without this post-processing thing. This looks kinda sharp, like it's kinda basic, but it's soft. Okay. And this is cool too, I guess, without post-processing. You died. Okay, now I want to drop. Thanks, Sundar Dekha. Arey, thank you, yaar. Thank you. Let me just switch to Unity overall. A minute. Wait, I'll be back, guys. Enjoy the music. I'll be back in a minute. Hello guys, what's up, what's up? Now I want the enemy to drop this, right? So antivirus manager, if it gets hit by this, I'll public game object fragment. I'll spawn the fragment over here. Oh shit, this is tough. What a game now. I don't know if I spelled it correctly or not. I kind of always mess up with the spelling of quaternion. I don't know. I guess it's correct right now. Damn, I'm so sleepy, guys. Are we? No, I have to assign this thing. So first I'll have to convert it into a game object. Right. Let's go with the blue one right now. And fragment. What do I need? I just want to spawn it for now. I don't need anything. And then in the prefabs over here, it will have a place for fragment. It does. And I'll add the destroy script on it. For now, it will destroy after 3 seconds. I guess it works. Okay, it does drop. Yeah, and after 3 seconds it vanishes. So like in the actual game it won't vanish after 3 seconds, obviously, but just to keep the game pretty optimized for now, rather than this. It's pretty cool, I guess. Let me try it once without post processing. It looks pretty nice without post processing. I guess I have to decrease the bloom a little bit, because without post processing it looks bland, but it looks sharp. I guess I need the sharpness, so I'll have to decrease the bloom a little bit. I'll play around with the post processing thing later. For now it's cool. And I have to also look for performance sync, because it will be a browser game. I don't know if post-processing affects browser game performances. I don't know. I have never actually made a browser game, never published a browser game, so I'm kinda unsure about how the game will actually play out. How to even optimize a browser game, I'm kinda unsure, but yeah, we can figure it out. once we have a game ready, obviously. Okay, works. Now we need to do is let's make the player be able to collect these fragments, right? I'll go in player manager itself. Do I have the player manager on the player? Yeah, I do have. So I'll go over here. I'll go with void on. Is it collider or collision fortress? I guess it's collider, right? Other if other dot segment, then will debug dot log. What do I have to log? Number of fragments, right? We have to log anything else. No, not just. Hopefully I don't leak anything. Oh, BG music कम करना है. Okay. Am I audible अच्छे से अभी? Oh damn, this is disrespectful. Sorry यार. I'll make sure this never happens again in the future, you know. Do we have anyone over here? No, we don't. Let's do something. I'll open Infinity and I added fragments. Yeah. Fragments. And collider 2D, obviously. Or trigger 2D actually. So yeah. And then if I have to remove the script for it. No, I don't have to remove it. I have to destroy. I'll destroy the game object from here, right? Destroy other dot game object. और अभी सब सेंसर करवाता हूँ. डेवलॉग आए महीना हो गया. अगला डेवलॉग will come. Next devlog will come. I don't know, maybe next devlog will come probably this month itself. Like I will how do I tell you, I'm not kind of working on point order for now. Like the progress on point order is very minimal. Not worth it to create a devlog for the progress I have made this far on point order. I really want to create a devlog when I have some cool shit to show you guys. You know what I mean? Like at least I should have something cool enough to show. I don't know. I can like I am streaming on YouTube. I can just clip everything from this live stream and create a devlog and add a voiceover. I guess I'll do that. I don't know. I'll try to release the next devlog by 15th of May. I also want to release a trailer or maybe like a basic gameplay teaser something for Corruption.exe by 15th May. So yeah, let's see. Like I'm just making games right now. I'm just enjoying the process. I'm kinda unsure about how things will look in the long run or like wait sit ये क्या बच गया no YT music you can't do this that's so let's listen to Wolfie hello yeah hell yeah hell yeah okay I guess I will get a claim for playing this song, but yeah, who cares? Never mind, let's get back to making the game. Anyhow, I'm not making any money from this live stream, so yeah, even if I get a claim, no one cares. What is going on, bhai? Arre shit. I'm so stupid, dude. I didn't added the number of fragments. I just logged it. Haha. This song, I don't know if you guys have ever listened to it. This is a really cool song. Swag ka Vikreta. Like, that's me. I'm the Vikreta for Swag. Haha. Now, Are? Yeah, missing a shot is painful, bhai. I should display the score somewhere on the screen, at least for now. So yeah, it's pretty boring. Like, how do I know how much have I scored? So should I? For the loop, I have thought that there will be an endless mode and I guess a basic survive for 5-7 minutes mode, because it will be a web game. If someone wants to sit and play, score as much as they want, they can go in the endless mode, or they can just So it's pretty cool right now. Give me a minute, guys. I'll be back. Enjoy the music. I'll be back in a minute.
High-tier taxpayer, rap slayer, goofball. Had a heart of gold, now it's broken, I'm a douchebag. Getting out the house just to throw away my weed, dog. Same way I cut away the people I don't need, dog, yeah. Joyce died a long time ago, now I'm trying to kill the sorrows too. My morals blue, oh, I'm a morose dude. And it don't help at all that sometimes I feel like a moron too. Like I loved Raj comics, wish for Zohan too. Oh, I'm a lowbrow dude. Never motivated, less my back's against the wall, bitch. Not the kind of guy that you have sex against the wall with. Honest like a toddler who ain't caught up in the world yet. Plus I'm on that walking tall shit. Super eclectic, slightly talented, and highly neglected. You ain't never seen nothing like this. The name's Cryman, Wolf Cryman.
Hello guys, what's up? Yeah. This, I really like this camera angle, which I'm like this one. Yeah, pretty cool. Hello. Whatever. Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's start. So now we have the fragment. The player can collect the fragment. I'll have to force the base bet. Something wrong. Yeah. So the player can collect the fragments, right? And it gets added. What else do I need to add in the game? I don't know. Let's see. Wait, let me go to display capture, right? Yeah. Let's first start with the basic mode, right? The 3 to 5 minute mode. Like there'll be a timer of around 5 minutes. You have to survive. I guess 5 minutes work, right? I guess I need to create one more. What do you say? Oh shit, I can't actually open this. Lama.
Culture Kalik. Bring to you.
I need to create a few more antiviruses or enemies, whatever you say this. So like, let's revamp the player health thing, right? Antivirus manager. The player health is an integer. Damage to give. Damage to give. Now I can just like change the damage value for each antivirus from without creating new scripts, right? Or I can do 5 for now. Maybe let's go with 35. 35 twice is 70. 35 thrice is 105, right? Yeah. Okay. Pretty cool, to be honest. Yeah.
Yo, folks saying Wolfie doesn't flex. Alright, man, I'll flex on 3 different levels right now. Alright. Flex level, spiritual. My yin is yanked up, good and bad ganged up. My pitiable former self is my fandom. I could son who could son him like a
Some good music. I'm opening the original project for the Glitch Gardener project. I want to see. I want to like recheck a few things, how I did them, and how I implemented them and stuff. इसमें किल के बाद का सेक कम कर दो थोड़ा पॉसिबल है तो, और जब एक बार में 2 बंदे साथ में मर रहे हैं तो ठीक है, पर सिंगल बंदे में बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, एक बार ट्राई करना हो। स्क्रीन से क्या ओके ओके I will give me a The thing is, I love screen shake, right? If I show you this, the Glitch Gardener, I don't know if you guys have ever played this or not. You can see the screen shake over here. So for the power-ups, I have thought there will be this same system lag zone and this virus block and one turret thing. You know what I mean? A turret that will shoot these game objects. To the where it could be. Uh, I don't know for game progression. I had logged. Let me find it right. I have logged few ideas I thought for game progression. Okay. It will be walls, turrets, and trap. Like the trap will be the lag zone, and there will be some upgrades. Like you can do a 360 shoot, and your enemies will explode the and release few fragments which will kill the enemies around them. Speed upgrade, your turret upgrade, your power up timer upgrades, your range upgrade, your damage upgrade. Basic upgrades. Dash. I'll add dash to the player. I'll add a fragment pull thing. There will be like temporary invincibility to the player and an instant explosion. Let's actually first start by adding few of the things, right? Let's do this. How do I add text in OBS? Yeah. Okay. I have the text. I'll write over here. Things to add. Yeah, let me just put it somewhere over here. Now we know what we have to make things to add in this stream. To be precise, things to add in today's stream. Yes, today I'll be adding these things, and maybe if we'll get time, we can maybe add maybe new enemy, right? Let's start. I'll decrease size a little bit more. Is it cool enough now?
I never thought it'd be so peaceful, wearing a jeans full of empty
Yeah.
pockets. बस मीठी बातें उस चश्मिश की थी तो मौज मस्ती नहीं की तो बहुत मिस की चली गोली डिशकी आओ हलकटी बोल के बोल के बोली आओ
This is the original glitch gardener. I don't know if I have added all those things here. Yeah, you can see. Huh. Bro, the player doesn't die in this game. I just realized this. Okay, I have the old build. I don't have the latest build. I kinda lost the original build. Yeah, I will just copy paste the code for this, you know. Yeah, cool enough. I don't know, I just listen to any random music. Don't judge me, guys. And don't. I don't know, I guess I won't get a strike. The only thing. At max, I'll probably get a claim or something. And a claim is okay, guys. Nice. Yeah. So the first thing we have to do is create a burst. How do I create a burst effect? I would need a circle, circle like this, a circle going like this, then zoom. Everything on the screen is dead. I guess I know how to do it. So create an empty game object. I'll create it. Hitbox burst. I'll reset it. Box collider 2D is trigger on the screen. We'll add the hitbox over here. And just like I don't know how to call this. Maybe I'll call it in can burst. Get key down and then object burst hitbox hitbox dot detector. Burst hitbox dot detector. Start coroutine. Hide burst hitbox.
That's like mixing that power and money, that Zorba and Dhanji, just like Shady and 50 Sarkar 2003. Ha ha ha, trust me, मेरे को याद नहीं आखिरदारी कब आई, felt that piece of क्या चाहिए, Jesus say that shit exactly, I'm pretty high.
0.1F. Burst hitbox dot detective. False. कुछ खास जब कोई नहीं पास एक हाथ में ग्लास, उस ग्लास में मैं हर बार पे दारू पी के मैं घर से बाहर दारू पी के जा चांद जिगर जहाँ जब भी खुद के अंदर जागती खांतकार जैसे रात तो इतनी रात को मैं जाऊँ भी कहाँ fuck from my best friends कहाँ गए तुम मैं खो भी रहा from my best friends कहाँ गए तुम I'm popping Xannies from my best friends कहाँ गए Okay. I've decrease the screen shake, right? You said. I guess if I do decrease the duration, it will be good. Cause like I guess the magnitude for the screen shake is cool enough. I'll just decrease the this thing. Yeah. Burst hitbox is over here. Now let me do this. Let me do what is this thing. The player. Let me remove the collider from the player, right? And let me just test something. Haha. Cool enough. Now I'll do this. Oh wait, I don't have to create a tracker, I guess.
बातें तो ऐसे ही फैलेगी जैसे फैलेगी रैप करना सीखा तो लग रहा था पब्लिक फील करेगी मेरी एनर्जी फिर पढ़ मालूम मल्लक बसते लोड़े सुन के देख ले कोई बात या कहने की कुछ कौन इन 10 बंदा क्वालिटी धंजी खोना चाहे चक्कर फॉरेन हिट दैट टाइम गलत फक फॉरेन रिस्ट तेरी बातचीत सिर्फ ऑनलाइन लाइक माय फॉरेन बिच गलत है बावे क्या या से फोटो में देखा तेरा चीज कैसा पैक करके सीधा भेज दे ये राइटिंग ऑफ द टॉप फिर से मिस्टर प्राइम मिक्स टेप्स इन ईयर मिस्टर एक साल में 5 मिक्स कौन इन 10 बंदा क्वालिटी धंजी खोना चाहे चक्कर फॉरेन हिट आई कैन स्ट्रेच योर शिट लाइक अ वोकल रिफ धंजी जैसे प्रिंटिंग प्रेस का पर्थ धंजी तेरी जिंदगी का पहला क्रश धंजी यू सेड दिस वाज द लास्ट वर्स तो फिर दाते बैक करके सीधा भेज दे ये करे रिप्ले वहां पे ये कॉलोनी से कॉलोनी अंदर या द म्यूजिक इज टाइमलेस क्लासिक धंजी कोचा पीस मैन
I guess I have a logic error over here. The instant burst is not working, right? So when I press E and can burst, I have box collider. If I do this and do this,
दिल इतना ठोस है भेड़े ट्रस्ट इश्यूज तो है भी मेरे तीन ही दोस्त इन्हें नहीं पता कितना मुश्किल है आज जीना रोज
we have the box collider, right? There's no way this won't work. I don't know.
It's your boy.
I added the headbox thing over here.
Yeah. Pull
up on you like agency. देता असरात मनफी, तुझ में डर है I can sense it. Left you bloody just immenses. Fuck around till you come to your senses. मैं future और तू past tenses. लाजवाब you do not have the answers. तुम जैसे अफगानिस्तान में Americans. एक कॉल पे डाकू मारेगा डाका. रब लैब क्या हुक्म है मेरे आका. गैंगलैंड छोटे मेरा शहर प्रॉपर. इधर दिन दिहाड़े हो जाता है चाका. वो हाथ काटे फिर भी हम खिला रहे.
Antivirus manager.
Who the fuck told you I was offended? मैं तो chill और ये beats पे चिल्ला रहे. Fucking visionary बेटा मुझे visions आ रहे. मेरी कोशिश है कि कोई भी लड़का पीछे ना रहे.
If other games are compared, hitbox,
इनके मुंह में दे दोने वाला कोई भूखा ना रहे. किसी प्यासे पुसी ऐसा
let me
किसी ऐरे गैरे को कोई गलतफहमी ना रहे. ये वो कैरेक्टर हैं जो कहानी में ही ना रहे.
or else then
इसके सर पे ना रहे. हम गहराई है और ये मैं है सिर्फ किनारे. हम गहराई है बेटा कोई 10 साल से. मैंने लिखे सिर्फ
we can do this. Maybe
मेरे में गुरूर नहीं, लेकिन आजकल ऑफ रहता मूड भी. रैप गेम का आग तिफलेट पहुंचे शूट पे.
we'll add the tag antivirus over here.
तेरे हुड में हाई नाज है ये सारे आएंगे ना झुंड में. मैं लड़ूंगा
Then add antivirus to this, and then
काउंटडाउन स्टार्ट.
what I can do is, create a new script. Player manager all.
कोई वेव नहीं है बेटा you're an MP3. Pull up on you like agency.
This thing is okay, cool,
देता असरात मनफी.
but I'll script.
Pull up on you like agency.
क्या है? Burst.
देता असरात मनफी.
Be like, let's do it void on trigger enter 2D. Collider 2D. Other. If it is antivirus, destroy other dot game object, right?
जो वो खड़े इशारे पे मैं रेड लाइट. वो रो पड़े बेचारे देगा लेस लाइफ. हम जो चले सहारे ना थे लेफ्ट राइट. तुम सो रहे थे सारे but never mind. अब खास कुछ ना बोले आगे किसी के. बस घास फूके बॉय तेरा इजी है. I'm now here to see क्या है feasible. अब जो मांगे चौड़े में
Oh, I guess I know what's the problem. My player has a rigid. I haven't added a rigid body, bro. Do I need to add a rigid body to the? Let me just try, Let's try. I can find a better alternative sometime else, but let's do rigid body 2D and set the gravity scale to 0, right? And if I just remove this over here, yeah, it works. And if I do remove this and convert this into a hitbox, yeah, it works pretty well. Now if I have a lot of enemies, do I have problem with FPS? No, I don't. Yeah, it works pretty cool. So I will remove this. I will just delete the script, then the script is of no use. Wait.
picture clear इधर देख studio gangster bitch I'm here bigger stakes bigger figures liquor middle age शेरों के टोले में किधर भीड़ चल निकल बे screens and lenses इनके बनते armor vest Stanford है जब मेरे boys Viking mode पे है निकलते
Now if I have to test this,
कहते pen game लन पे लिखती जनता आए दिन गिरा हूं इन पे facts वाला मलबा when they wanna rhyme like demon when they wanna sound
if
like
I turn can burst, yeah, this is so cool, bhai. Ha. नाचना तो नाच आजा साथ में शैतान के आंख में ना देखकर बोले कमेंट्स वाली रान ये हो गया जे मथा दता हूं तवानू आराम जे पैगी के नहीं ठंड तेरी जान दे गाय का कंपैरिजन तू काके आके काम देख वर्ल्ड इन माय रियर व्यू हम बस आगे पे ध्यान दे हम ले आते कैश तुम बस लेकर आते लानते नून हो या रात इनकी मीन मेरे लाम से दिया था मौका तुमने बकना था जो बक लिया द किंग्स बैक तो सारे कटो तखलिया पिन बैक आती अब नशे की अशिया वो कहती बेबी तेरा फ्लो फील्स लाइक मंशिया वो करती गंदी बात स्लिप Damn, bhai, this is genuinely so cool.
I got no love for these studio gangsters. Yaar daily sare hi daily offenders. Rub me the wrong way and you're fuck boy. Like we're hug parast hard hitting cold blooded killers. Koi ye shak agar pull up for dur karun. Aadatan majboor late mein har shoot parun. Sobat dekh meri takus with chakus. Shut your city down jaise rules koi nahi lagu. Umeed pe hai dunya ka.
Okay, it's working, so we can mark this thing as completed. Then we have I'll go to player manager, right? I'll do this over here. I'll save. For now, I'll just create basic keycode.f.
When I walk up to the scene, to ye sare bole king back, king back, king back.
Okay.
Jo ye sare banna chahte wo to main already been that.
I've done anything wrong.
See how everybody sing back, sing back, sing back. When I walk up to the scene, to ye sare bole king back, king back, king back. Bitch, I'm back with that rap / hip hop. Lode lag gaye while trying to keep up. जो भी फंसा उसे सीन से ही गायब किया मैंने पुश टी पर कोक पर भी रैप किया ना इंसाफी नहीं किसी से भेजे पेप्सी वीजे
Oh wait, spelling.
पूरी नहीं है नींदें pop champagne really we don't need a reason masses में सुने I got fans in different regions easy baby everything is easy आजकल पेड़े है तो दुनिया सारी greedy fucking award मेरा mindset ही ईदी ये नाम household fan है घर पे बाप और बेटी It's like I make hip hop.
I wanna listen something cool. Nanku, let's listen Nanku. I'll just go with his recipe. F key press and E won't work right now. Okay, and I want invincibility, right? So when I press F, I want the I want only this thing to change, right? Okay, I want the player damage to be 0. I want invincibility is on type of thing. Invincibility is active. When invincibility is active, आप एक काम करो इनविंसिबिलिटी एक बूल बना देता हूँ ना. Public. I'm so bad with spelling, guys. Active.
शोर या सन्नाटा मेरी सांसें मुझसे मिलती हैं. बारिश हो या धूप मेरी आंखें फिर से खुलती हैं. सृष्टि की इस रचना में ही अब से मुझको रहना है. बोला ना जा सकता जो सब वो मुझको कहना है. बोला ना जा सकता जो सब वो मुझको कहना है. बोला ना जा सकता जो सब वो मुझको कहना है.
Guys, enjoy the music for a while. I'll be back in a minute.
जाता हूँ आजू बाजू मर जाता हूँ. सुंदर हो तुम इतनी छूने से मैं घबराता हूँ. जाने क्यों मैं चिंतित हूँ क्यों तुमसे शर्माता हूँ. काफी सेल्फिश हूँ मैं शायद थोड़ा चटका सा हूँ. तेरी आवाज रह जाती है दिमाग में जाती ना वहाँ से. तेरी बातें शोर या सन्नाटा मेरी सांसें मुझसे मिलती हैं. बारिश हो या धूप मेरी आंखें फिर से खुलती हैं. सृष्टि की इस रचना में ही अब से मुझको रहना है. बोला ना जा सकता जो सब वो मुझको कहना है. बोला ना जा सकता जो सब वो मुझको कहना है. बोला ना जा सकता जो सब वो मुझको कहना है. कहना है. कहना है.
किस तरह से चलता है समय भागे जब मैं देखूं ना इसे. चुप रहा तो रूठेगा मुझसे.
Bruh. I was on mute and I was yapping for whatever. Okay. हाँ, so I was saying is कि once you start adding features to your game, then you realize that there are a lot of stuff you can add. Like, how do I explain this? Let's say I started, like you can see I started making this over here. I started making invincibility. Let's say by default the invincibility stays for 5 seconds. Let's say just for an example. Let's say I can add, like, you can upgrade your character for 500 fragments, and then your invincibility will stay for 15 seconds instead of 5 seconds. I mean, yeah, it's endless, right? Let me just 5f is invincibility active equals to false, and debug.log invincibility is deactivated. Now and then player manager dot deactive equals to false. Give me a minute, guys.
आकर्षित रहना तुझसे आदत मेरी बचपन की है. मानू ना मानू ये जिज्ञासा काफी fucked up सी है. मुझे दूर दूर से देखना
Hello guys, sorry for whatever it was. Now I have to uh, yeah, you can see as long as my invincibility is active. Invincibility is active, I won't die. Now invincibility is deactivated, now I might die. Haha. Oh wait, I have to enable my box collider again. Invincibility is active, and as long as it is active, I guess now it's off. I can turn it on again, nothing will happen. As soon as it is deactivated now I can die. Yeah, let's go. It's working. Now we can say we have completed invincibility too. Right. Press OK. And now what we have? We have fragment magnet. I want the fragment to automatically be collected if the fragment magnet is activated. How do I actually? Yeah, do I actually need it? I don't think I need a fragment magnet because the player will keep moving in the scene. I don't think I need this. I guess. Yeah. Nice. Oh, Loki sir, what's up, gang? Good morning. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the stream. I don't know when you joined. Whatever. कैसे हो लोकी सर? Yeah, let's go. I guess that's all. I don't know what more what else I have to add. I'm kinda tired too. I can. Yeah, I guess. Wait, let me just pause this. Yeah. Can we play some games now? I don't know. We can play a little bit of CS, you know. I kinda want to play CS now. I'll just turn off Unity for now, that's all. Good morning, sir. अभी उठा. अरे हैप्पी संडे यार. Happy Sunday. Let me just play a little bit of Counter-Strike, you know. Counter-Strike makes me feel good, better, whatever. Do you see the stream on YouTube? Is everything good? Counter-Strike makes me feel good, better, whatever. We can go for the finals. The thing is, I don't think my PC will be able to handle finals and streaming both at the same time. I'll play a little bit of CS, turn off the stream, and then we can play finals, you know. Give me 5-10 minutes. I'll play one match and then we can play finals. Haha, I guess. Wow. CS ain't loading up. Okay. Yes, let's see CS2 if it boots up. Because I don't think CS is in the mode to boot up. Yeah, let me try again. If it works good enough, or else I'll just end the stream and then we can play the finals. Volvo. I saw a meme of a guy asking Valve to remove their ban. The guy was like crying, asking, saying, Volvo, please remove my ban. Kinda cool. I don't know. I guess my PC won't handle CS and streaming both at the same time. I don't know what this thing is. Yeah. I'll just wait again. It won't work, I guess. CS ain't loading up, guys. Not my fault. Is it because of display capture if I turn on game capture? What do you mean cloud status uploading? What is there in CS to upload on cloud? I mean, okay, being a developer, I shouldn't have made that statement, but I mean, like, everything is by default going to the cloud now, so why do you have to? I don't know. I should just sort up, I guess. It won't open. Never mind, we can just give up on this thing. I guess I'll just end the stream now. I streamed for around 1.5 hours. I guess I'll end the stream and play some games, you know. Yep. That's it for today, guys. Let me do this. Yeah. Hello. What's up, gang? Handshake. Yeah, that's all for today's stream. I'll end this now. I'll see you guys tomorrow or maybe tonight. I don't know. If I felt like streaming again, I'll come back tonight and stream. And if I don't, I maybe come tomorrow if I feel like. I don't know. Like, let's see. Yep, that's it, guys. That's it for the stream. Thank you to everyone for joining in. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll come back soon. I'll clip this stream and maybe create devlog out of it. I don't know. If you see a devlog coming out, then it is from the stream itself. So yeah, that's all for this. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you guys. See you soon or whatever. Goodbye.